it's cold. Okay, so today is actually an interesting and quite... I'm actually excited today. Today is actually my first gig for filmmaking. I'm actually filming for a friend, which is so cool, so cool. I'm really happy that he asked me to do this. I'm not getting paid, which is fine because I still don't know my strength and weaknesses, so I really can't put a price on it, so it's fine. I'm filming for his club. He's a DJ. So he's opening this club and he wants me to make a video of it. So I thought, yeah, why not? I mean, it's good practice, no money, but I still get to go to his club for free, so I guess I get something out of it. I do have to say that I'm a little bit late, so I'm gonna have to put you guys down and rush. So see you guys in a bit. So I've just arrived at the place where we're doing it. I'm actually walking to it right now. And guess what I just realized? That's really stupid. Forgot my wallet at home. Forgot my damn wallet at home. It's a club, for God's sake. How am I supposed to buy drinks? How much? Oh, this is the stupidest thing I've ever done. By far. Okay, so I've just arrived. I think I'm in the right place. I'm not sure. It looks like a club, so this might be. Very good, yeah? 'Came outside to just have a sip of air. Oh, it's so tiring. Gosh, I didn't realize a gig would be this. Whew, there's a lot of moving objects. I got 3 cameras rolling right now downstairs. I don't even know how to keep up with everything. This is how people make it as a cameraman. This is just blowing my mind. And I don't even know what kind of video I'm making because my friend just said, you know, just have fun and make a video. He didn't specifically ask what kind of video he wanted, so I'm having trouble. I'm having trouble trying to figure out how to make a video. Let's get back inside, it's getting cold. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. How many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 hours in the club. I swear, I'm not that kind of guy. I cannot do this kind of thing. I'm a home guy. I stay at home, I chill, watch Netflix, edit, or film. I don't go to clubs. I don't know. It's just not me. But it was fun. Don't get me wrong, it was fun. Meeting a lot of people. My friends, they're all great at DJing. Yeah, it was just too much, but it was fun. It was too much fun. And you know, nothing is always okay. You know what? I'm complaining. It was great. I'm going home. It was a fun day. When I'm like, oh, look, a bird. Anyways, it was a fun night. Not a day, but it was a fun night. It's becoming I don't want to sleep. It's gonna waste my time. I'm gonna probably sleep until the afternoon, which is I'm gonna regret that. So I'm gonna not try to fall asleep and see if I can find any content today. Yeah, That's all I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna sleep. I'm gonna power through. I'm gonna power through today. Saturday. Ooh, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Anyways, I'm gonna end this vlog. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock.